My name is Abhishek Bangar and I will teach you the Python programming language. In this lecture, we will see Introduction of Python and History of Python. Introduction of Python. Python is a simple language which is easier to learn, and Python is also a high-level interpreted language. Python have large standard libraries to solve common tasks. Python is done in three ways. First, immediate mode. Second, script mode. Third, integrated development environment IDE mode. There are number of IDEs like PyCharm, Spider, Komodo, Atom, Sublime Text. History of Python. Python is generated into 1989 and released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python 2.0 is released in October 2000. The latest version of Python is 3.9.0. Now we will see the first Hello World program in Jupyter Notebook. Print Hello World. Now click the run. This is the output Hello World. In next lecture, I will tell you how to download Jupyter Notebook for writing the programs. Thank you.